This is the D from Dr. Smoke, and today we're just going to go over doing a burn-in on the new Daniel Boone Wi-Fi Prime 12 volt. So as you can see, we have a brand new GMG Daniel Boone Wi-Fi 12 volt. Nice and clean inside. But before we cook, we got to do one more thing. Back in the last build video, we showed that we had to put pellets into the firebox, which we did. All right, so there's a little bag of pellets that must go into the firebox. What this does is it primes the auger, because obviously when you pour the new pellets in, it does not have pellets in the auger, so the grill will never start. So you always have to make sure you pour the pellets in and kind of just make sure it covers that heating element that's down there.
That's your igniter down in there. You can see it right there, down in the bottom.
So now that the pellets are in the firebox, the hopper is filled up with fruit wood, but inside the auger doesn't have anything in it. So we're just going to go over real quick on how to do the burn-in. I'm just going to use the front controls, and we'll go ahead and power this up. Now what that'll do is it'll feed pellets into the heating element and then start the heat up. Now that the Daniel Boone is up to temperature, 350, what we're going to do is just let this sit for a half hour. And once it's done, we'll put it back down to 150 and then turn on fan mode. Now that the grill's down to 150, what you want to do is hit the off button once on this particular model, or use the app to turn it off. That'll activate fan mode, and what that'll do is it'll just run the fan and burn off any additional pellets that might be in the box. Once that's all done, you can turn off the grill. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Dr. Smoke. Have a good one, guys. Please subscribe.